Okay, they know the how to manage groundwater management challenge. ठीक है, this is a management challenge. This is the coastal plains increase demand on all sector uses. Okay, these are the hand of the management challenge. Okay, then the increased demand in all sector uses, major level plains, hilly areas, anticipated climate changes, hard rock area, coastal plains. This is the challenge of the groundwater management. Okay, this is the pass through this type of the system. Okay, then now this is the national project of groundwater management, along the Ministry of Water Resource Government of India under the 12th Fifth-year development plans. The objective is the identify and map aquifer, quantify available groundwater resources potential, propose plans appropriate to the scale of demand. Okay, this is the categorize the aquifer under identified institutional arrangement for the management. This is the plan of the national project on the groundwater management. The first you identify the how to identify the map and aquifer. Identify the aquifer, the quality quantify available resources. Okay, groundwater resources, purpose of plan appropriate scale of demands, and the criteria the aquifer identify agreement for the management. This is the label, main function. Okay, this is the under. These are the government agencies. Groundwater sustainability. Okay, sustainability goals, sustainable management, sustainable yield. Okay, this is the second and undesirable lowering of groundwater levels and the water quality degradation under the sustainable goal. And the reduction of groundwater storage and land subsidence. This is the sustainable management. And the yield, sweater institution and the depletion of the surface water. Okay, this is the result of the significant undesirable groundwater sustainability. The sustainable solution manage the aquifer discharge and soil aquifer treatment, monsoon surface runoff, conservation and discharge to potential aquifer after addressing water quality aspects, and subsequent recovery of the recycled groundwater can be provided a solution. Okay, this is the three sustainable solution. Manage aquifer discharge and soil aquifer treatment, and then you manage the monsoon surface runoff conservation. Okay, and then the municipal wastewater from urban areas after the appropriate treatment can also be considered for aquifer discharge and a subsequent recovery of the groundwater. This is the sustainable solution. Okay, then now is the conclusions of the groundwater. Okay, the India is the highest groundwater use in the world. The groundwater will continue to rise in future. Out of 100%, how much use the groundwater? Many in percentage. The out of 100%, 85% water used from the groundwater. Okay, and the groundwater will continue to rise in future due to competing sectoral demands and the groundwater related problems as that because of over exploration are more due to lack of knowledge and information. Okay, the groundwater conservation in future is well technique and economical method for the human being. This is the conclusion. The safe water preservation, conservation, utilization. The how to save the water. Of every drop of water is very important. You save one drop of water. If you day to day save the one drop of water, then your environment ecosystem is good, it healthy. But you not save the water, your ecosystem is disbalanced. You know why? But day to day you not save the water to increase the water pollution. You are did flow the water in the surface. This is the surface runoff, and the many types of pollution is the directly discharge the groundwater. Okay, so day to day you try you one drop of water save. Okay, this one drop of water is for the life or the any types of human beings, suppose birds, animals, humans. Okay, the first preservation, conservation, and utilization. How to preserve, how to conservation, and how to utilize. Okay, this is a one drop of water. This is a called safe water. Okay, thank you. This is a Mahatma Gandhi said one line, speak only if it improve upon the silence. This is the very good lines. Speak only if it improves upon the silence. What is this message show? Santosh,
यस सर।
this message is very important for us.
तभी कुछ बोलो जब मतलब साइलेंस से अच्छा कर सको,
Yeah,
चुप रहने से अच्छा कर सको तभी कुछ बोलो,
yeah,
बोलने से कुछ फायदा हो तभी कुछ बोलो।
yeah. बोलने से कुछ फायदा हो तभी कुछ बोलो.
यस सर।
Okay. So then you one drop save water. This is a very important save water. After 10 to 15 years upcoming, okay, the lacking of water is a very big problem, created issues. After upcoming 10 to 15 years, बहुत प्रॉब्लम होने वाला है वाटर का, बहुत ज्यादा. Every years, every years, जो water level in the decreasing order goes to the 2 to 3 meter. Every year, water level is in the down, in the decreasing order, not as the level of the decreasing order. Day to day, 2 to 3 meter level is below. So then after 10 to 15 years, the very big problem issues created from the for the water. Okay. Is it visible? Hello.
यस सर।
Okay. This is how to manage the wastewater. You can define how to manage the wastewater management.
सर वेस्ट वाटर कैसा है पहले ये जानना होगा ना।
पहले you identify the wastewater, which type of wastewater, then how to manage.
यस
Any idea regarding this?
सर, जैसे कि अगर केमिकल हो, उसमें केमिकल मिक्स हो, जैसे कि फैक्ट्री से निकल रहा हो, तो उसको तो पहले प्री ट्रीटमेंट देना होगा सबसे पहले।
Yeah. So in India, wastewater from industrial, suppose industrial wastewater. Yeah, directly design the river, not after treatment used. Water
नहीं
not
सर,
dispose the after
अगर
treatment. हाँ बोलो.
अगर वे वेस्ट वाटर फ्रॉम हाउस, अगर हाउस से होगा
हाँ.
तो उसको ये क्या बोलते हैं, फर्टिलाइजर के रूप में, मतलब पहले कलेक्ट करके कहीं कोई गड्ढा में रख के उसको फर्टिलाइजर के रूप में भी यूज कर सकते हैं।
मतलब हाउसहोल्ड वेस्ट वाटर को.
यस सर। जो एक निकला था ना,
1 minute.
टू टैंक वाला
Wait
टैंक
1 minute.
सिस्टम।
Okay. So how to manage? Again you say.
सर एक आया था ना सर, मतलब टू टैंक सिस्टम वाला, एक फिल हो जाएगा तो दूसरा में चलना है और वो उर्वरक बनेगा, फर्टिलाइजर बनेगा।
फर्टिलाइजर कौन सा सिस्टम, कैसे?
एक नहीं था सर, 2 टैंक वाला, एक टैंक अगर फिल हो जाएगा तो उसको बंद कर देना है और फिर नेक्स्ट टैंक में भरना है, जब तक ये भरेगा तब तक वो
अच्छा, okay,
उर्वरक।
okay. I already discussed in the disposal of excreta. This is the Patna. Actually,
Yes.
only depend on the Patna based. This is the
Yes, sir, yes.
yeah, good. You would consider 2 tanks, okay, and the one is the field, then
Yes.
you use the other another. हाँ,
Yes.
this is the Patna based field, वो इसका कुछ करके थीम करके आया था, तो सुलभ
Yes, sir, उस
शौचालय है।
करके भी। Yes, sir.
गुड, हाँ वैसे ही करके हम लोग मैनेज द बेस्ट वाटर मैनेजमेंट। गुड। This is wastewater is any water that requires cleaning after being used. The goal of wastewater management is also clean and protect water. This is first is the goal, you the clean and protect the water. Due to the global burden of human disease caused by sewage pollution of coastal water has been estimated at a 4 million lost person year annually. Okay, a variety of material entered into the sewage system from a typical home. The office or industry sewage contains solid and chemicals like nitrogen, phosphate, bacteria that affect the environment. Water covers over 70% of the Earth's surface and is a very important resource for the people and the environment. Okay, the water pollution affects drinking water, such as rivers, lakes, and ocean all over the world. The water pollution directly affects the water bodies. Okay, there's such as okay, this is a consequently harms human health and the natural environment. Okay, the water pollution directly affect on the rivers, lake, and oceans all over the water bodies. Okay, first water covers 70% of the earth surface, but you use the 1% only. You use the only 1% of the water for the use of purpose, such as irrigation, such as this type of uses. Okay. The water pollution, any alteration in the physical and chemical or biological properties of water and the contamination with any unwanted foreign substances which would contribute a health hazard, okay, or otherwise decrease the utility of water. Okay. Then a type of water pollution. You show in the image that this create the water. Okay. Then dry water pollution, surface water pollution, oxygen depletion, groundwater pollution, nutrient, microbial. Okay. Suspended water, chemical pollution. These are the types of the water pollution. So the point source and non-point source. What is the point source? And define. The point and non-point source. This is a point source is the pollution comes from a single source. Okay, this is such as in the example of oil spill. Okay, this is called point source. And the non-point source is the comes from many sources. Okay, this is the comes from the many sources. It is called non-point source. Okay. Then now the surface water pollution. How to create the surface water pollution? The surface water, natural water resources of the earth. They are found on the exterior of the earth's crust and include the ocean, rivers, and lakes. These are the surface water for the pollution of natural sources. Then this water can become polluted in a number of ways, and this is called the surface water pollution. Okay, this is the numbers of ways comes in the pollute the water. Okay, this is industrial, sewage. Okay, these are the way of the pollute the water. This is called a surface water pollution. Then the oxygen depletion. What is the oxygen depletion? This is the microorganisms that live in water feeds on biodegradable substances. When too much, okay, the too much biodegradable material is added to water. Okay, the number of microorganisms increase and use of the available oxygen. This is called oxygen depletion. Okay, there is a name the microorganism for the water feeds is the substances of the biodegradable. This is too much. Okay, the biodegradable material added in the water. This is the number of microorganisms increase of the available oxygen. This is called oxygen depletion. The groundwater pollution I just discussed in the previous lecture. A lot of the earth's water is found. A lot of the earth's water is found underground in soil or under rocks. A structure called aquifer. Under the underground soil or under rocks structure. Okay, found is called aquifer. When this water becomes polluted, is called groundwater pollution. When this water becomes polluted, it is called groundwater pollution. The groundwater pollution is often caused by pesticide contamination from the soil. This is the purpose from the, this is created from the human beings so that they do the farming time. Okay, many types of fertilizer used in the farming time. This is urea and phosphate is a very dangerous for the soil. Day to day loss the soil fertility. How to? Then use the pesticides such as phosphate and urea. The urea and phosphate is being sprayed on the soil, then directly affect the drinking water. This is the huge problem. Cause the huge problem. Okay, this is the groundwater pollution. This is the main big problems from the farm. This is the farming time. Nutrient and their effect on water. Nutrients are essential for plant growth and development. The many nutrients are found in the wastewater and fertilizers, and these can cause excess weed and algae growth if large concentration end up in the water. This is the nutrition and the effect of water. Suspended matter. These are the suspended matter available in the water. Okay, there's some pollutants do not dissolve in the water. Okay, the water the molecules do a mix between the water molecules. This material is called particulate matter and that can often be the cause of the water pollution. This is a suspended matter. There's many types of suspended matter available, such as plastic bottle. You see in the image. Okay. The chemical water pollution. So while spill directly pollute the water. This is the called point source. This is a point source pollution. Okay, this is the chemical water pollution. It's called point source pollution. Then the industrial agriculture work involves the use of many different chemicals. Okay, industrial agriculture work involves the cause of many different chemicals that can run off into water and pollute it. Okay, this is metal and solvents from the industrial work can pollute rivers and lakes. These are poisonous and many forms of aquatic life and may slow their development, make them the infertile or even result in death. Okay, this is the chemical water pollution. This is called the also called point source pollution. So the causes of water pollution. There are many types of causes. The sewage and wastewater, marine dumping, and industrial waste, radioactive waste, wild pollution. Okay, the so in the all in the image. The first sewage and wastewater you all see, marine dumping. Okay, this is industrial waste directly discharged in the water bodies such as river and lake. Okay, not treat, after treated is disposed. Without treatment, the industrial wastewater disposed in the water bodies. Industrial waste, radioactive waste, wild pollution, groundwater storage and leakage. Okay, these are the causes of water pollution and atmospheric decomposition, global warming, eutrophication. So these are the causes of water pollution. Okay, then now you are all are type of causes of water pollution seeing the image. You can see sewage and wastewater. Sewage is the term used for wastewater that often contains feces, urine, and laundry waste. This is laundry waste and urine feces that comes under the sewage and wastewater. This is in the developed countries. Sewage often cause problems when people flush chemical and pharmaceutical substances down the toilet. Okay, this is the cause of sewage wastewater from the feces, urine, and the laundry waste. Okay. Then now there is marine dumping. This is the very big problem in the countries is marine dumping. This is the dumping of little in the sea can cause huge problem. Okay, different items take different lengths of time to degrade in water. Okay, this is the marine dumping. It's cardboard. Take the 2 weeks to degrade. Newspaper take to 6 weeks. Take the time of 6 weeks for degrade. Photodegradable packing, let us take 6 weeks to degrade. This foam takes 50 years to degrade. Foam take the times of 50 years. Okay, and the cell foam take 80 years. Aluminium 20 years. 200 years. Take the time for degradation. The plastic packing 400 years. Glass, it takes so long to degrade that we would not know that exact time. Okay, this is the marine dumping. It's a very huge problem. Degrading water. Okay, so these are the very big pollution. This is a marine dumping. Industrial waste, they directly discharge in the river. Industrial wastewater without treatment. There's the many types of the chemicals available in the industrial waste. These are directly okay. The industrial waste from the factory uses of wastewater to carry untreated wastewater into the river. Okay, this is the use of fresh water. Use the fresh water to carry untreated wastewater to river, thus contaminating the water with the pollutants such as asbestos, lead, mercury, and petrochemicals causing pollution. These are the industrial waste. All are directly disposed in the rivers and lakes. These types of pollution in aquatic life directly impact on aquatic life. Okay. The pollutants from the industrial source includes the source of the industrial pollution. So the pollutants are asbestos, lead, mercury, sulfur, oils, photochemicals. Asbestos is the fiber can be inhaled and cause illness such as asbestos, mesothelioma, lung cancer, skin cancer, and liver cancer. These are the created from the asbestos. And lead is a metallic element and non-biodegradable substances. This is the mercury, causes mercury poisoning, nitrates and phosphates. The nitrates are more often being washed and can cause putrefaction. This is the mercury. And the sulfur is the non-metallic substance that is the harmful for the marine life. Okay, and the oil does not dissolve in water. Instead, it forms a thick layer on the water surface. This can stop marine plants receiving enough light for the photosynthesis. Under the photochemicals, this is a form from the gas or petrol and can be toxic and marine life from the photochemicals. So these are the source of the industrial source, industrial pollution, these are pollutants. These are the very directly harm and directly and indirectly harm to the human beings. This asbestos is a very big source, very dangerous source. Okay. Okay. Then now nuclear waste. This is from the smoke from nuclear plant, low level waste, volcanic. Okay, these are the nuclear waste. The waste in nuclear waste is produced from the industries, medical and scientific process that use radioactive materials. Such as nuclear waste comes from a numbers of sources. Operations carried by a nuclear power station produce the radioactive waste. Mining and refining of uranium and the thorium from also caused of marine nuclear waste. The waste is also produced in the nuclear fuel cycle, which is used in the main industries, medical and scientific process. This is the nuclear waste. Okay, this is what produced by the operation conducted, and then is the mining and refining of uranium and thorium are the also cause of marine nuclear waste. The waste is also produced in the nuclear fuel cycle, which is the many industries, medical and scientific process. While pollution, the oceans are polluted by oil on a daily basis from oil spills. While pollutions, the ocean are polluted by the oil in daily basis from oil spills, routine shipping, runoff and dumping. Okay, this is a oil pollution. Underground storage leakage. Underground water is a tank or piping network that has at least 10% of its volume. Underground is known as an underground storage tank. Okay. This is a global warming. This the rise the Earth's water temperature is caused by global warming. Okay, the right Earth's water temperature is the rise is the global warming. Global warming is a process where the average global temperature increase due to the greenhouse effect. Okay, the process where the average global temperature increase due to the greenhouse effect is the global warming. The eutrophication is the way that becomes the nutrients and the water pollution in the home. How do water you see in the image? Your wastewater directly dispose in the row on the side of your home. You see in the image. This is the use either in the practical life, you pass the practical life, use the your household wastewater that is dispose your back to home. Okay, this is to make the nala. This is the water pollution at home. This is the many types of diseases spread from this pollution. pollutants. Okay. It's a very big issues. A big pollution. You're from you're back your home. The common benefits of sewage wastewater treatment. This common benefits, these are the benefits you get from the sewage wastewater treatment. Save money by recycling the wastewater for the use around the garden. And the limit the impact your home has on the environment. Protect precious stores of groundwater and store rainfall in dam by recycling. And reduce your impact on municipal sewer system by installing domestic treatment system. So these are the common benefits. Use the sewage wastewater treatment. First, you save the economical benefits. Okay. Then the residual impact on the municipal sewer system in installing the domestic treatment system. This is the very easy form. The environmental benefits. How to get the environment benefits? Do not disturb the natural resources. Okay, not disturb the natural resources. Then you get the environmental benefits. You save the environment. You disturb the environment. You disturb the natural resources. Your environment is unhealthy. The first your goal, you not disturb the natural resources. Okay, not disturb the natural resources. The benefits is a less contaminated sediment and sludge buildup, and the decrease pathogens and BOD. The biological oxygen demand. You are seeing economic benefit. How to get the increased property values? Okay, reduce human health risk and increase the restoration of the opportunities. Okay. So this is the economical benefits. Why the sewage plant is necessary? Sewage wastewater the plant is necessary. The sewage treatment plant actively treats sewage in the tank before safely discharge it into the environment. Okay. Then it removes 90 to 99% of the solids and pollutants to compile with the local and or national environmental regulations. It removes 90 to 99%. It does 90 to 99% to solid and pollutants to compile with the local and national environmental regulation. It potentially improves the result value of your property. Advanced wastewater treatment system. Then where the sewage treatment plants can have variety of implementation and the beneficial effect for cost-effective wastewater treatment system, a septic system alternative product and the storm water treatment. This is the context biomag treatment. This is the health issues. The different form of pollutants affect the health of animals in the different ways. This is the heavy metal, industrial waste, microbial waste, organic matters and nutrients, sulfate particles, suspended particles. These are the directly effect on the health. The heavy metals is the result in the birth defects. The some are the and the industrial waste can cause the immune suppression and radioactive failure of the acute poisoning. Is the industrial waste and the microbial pollutants from the sewage often result in the infectious diseases such as cholera and typhoid fever. The primary cause is familiarity. Okay, this is the microbial pollutants and the organic matter nutrients. This causes an increase in aerobic algae and that depletes the oxygen from the water. Okay, and the sulfate particles from the acid rain can result in the mortality. And suspended particles can often reduce the amounts of sunlight. Okay, there's a penetration of water disturbing the growth of the photosynthesis plants and the microorganisms. This is a directly impact on the health. So this type of metals such as waste, so the heavy metal industrial waste, microbial, organic, sulfates, and suspended directly impact on the indirectly the health. These are conjures. What can you do? This is the how they save the water. Okay, the conserve. What can you do? How do they save the water? Using all natural pesticide fertilizer will help save our earth by the preventing water pollution. They use the organic farm, not in the inorganic farm. They use the natural pesticides. Then you save the earth and water pollution. Industrial waste, industrial water treatment. That this identification is this can be used to prevent the leaching of nitrates and in soil. This in turn stop any around water from the being contaminated with the nutrients. Okay, the fertilizers contain nitrogen and apply to crop to help plant growth. Okay, the bacteria in the soil convert to the nitrogen in the fertilizer to nitrate, making it easier for the plants to absorb. Okay, then when the oxygen level are low, another form of bacteria then turns the nitrates into gases such as nitrogen, nitrous oxide, and nitrogen dioxide. The conversion of these nitrates into gas is called nitrification. Okay, the prevention of water pollution. Prevention of water pollution. There is the bring awareness, treating sewage before dumping, leakage or draining pipe lineage. Okay, industrial waste, a strict order to not to dump waste before treating. This is the very important. Your industrial waste water not dispose. Okay, without treatment. Don't use too much of the pesticide. Avoid paint and petroleum of sinks and avoid water spills in the oceans. These are the prevention of the water pollution. Okay, this is the 6th point is a very important for you bring awareness for the treatment process. Okay, then you use the treating sewage before dumping. Any types of waste, solid waste and wastewater dumping before you test. Okay, this is the drainage, you leakage from the drainage pipelines, you save, you look. Okay, and the industrial waste not dumped before treatment. Either don't use too much of pesticides. Okay, this is the prevention of the water pollution. Okay. Then now product. Okay, thank you. So how to control the water pollution? Okay, this is the economical benefit, many types of benefit. Main is the problem is the main your water pollution from your home. Okay, your home water pollution. Underground so leakage is the very big problem. While pollution, you have control. Nuclear waste. The pollutants from the industrial sources includes this is a very big problem issues created. The asbestos is a very dangerous particles such as use the lungs cancer, main types of diseases spread. Okay, industrial waste, marine dumping. Okay, this is a very take a long time degrade the degradation process. Okay, then your sewage and wastewater treatment process, the causes of water pollution. So these are the wastewater management system. Okay.